Yeah, let us see what was the question given here. If you have f of x is nothing but this is nothing but what? This is pi. Okay, if you know about it, let me show you. We have a f of x. This is we have a two terms. One is what? One is summation. Summation means sum of the terms. Is it okay? Let me show you this. Oh, sorry, just a second. So summation means we'll call it as a sum of terms. Okay. Whenever if you have a pi, this bigger pi, this is nothing but a product of the terms. Okay. This is product of terms. So what they have given, this is a pi means product of the terms, from where n is equals to 1 to 100. It is given it as x minus n whole raised to the power n into 101 minus n. Agree. Now what they're asking something like what? F of 101 by f dash of 101. Okay. So you just forgot about it. We need to apply differentiation. Keep that in your mind, right? How to apply? If you see this directly, this is in the form of what? Everything in terms of n alone. So what should we do? I will suggest you, this is in the form of function, something in the form of f of x raised to the power of g of x. It will be a little bit difficult if you apply the derivative directly. Okay, what should we do? We have to apply log on both the sides. Okay, if I apply log on both the sides, I'll be getting log of f of x, and this will be log of, this is pi, n is equals to 1 to 100. This will be x minus n whole to the power n into 101 minus n. Is it okay? Yes. So what should we do? Remember, we have a formula. What is that? Log x power of n is nothing but what? N times log x. Is it okay? Yes. So try to apply same formula here. This is log of f of x will be as it is. Agree? This is, see, pi I can simply take it out. Okay, fine. First of all, power is there. So simply power, take it outside. What it will be? N times 101 minus n. Is it okay? Into. This will be log of. This is pi, where n is from where 1 to 100. This is x minus n. This is what I'll be having. Is it okay? Yes. So now what should we do? See, check carefully. I'll give you one small hint. Pi means product. So if you have log AB, what is the meaning here? What I can do? This I can apply log A plus log B. Means what? Product of the two terms. If I have product of the three terms A, B, C, what it will be? This is log A plus log B plus log C. Is it okay? Similarly, if you have a product, what it will be? It will be, if you apply log to that, it will be with the summation. Are you getting my point? So log of f of x is nothing but n times 101 minus n. This product of the terms will be what? It will become the sum of the terms. Agree? So what I can say? Log of. What it will be? Sum of the terms. Where sum is applied for log first one, log second term, log third term, right? Which means sum will be outside. Are you getting my point here? This will become summation from where? From see here, summation is over what? N is equals to 1 to 100. For this term also we are having a summation here. So what should we do? We have to completely take the summation outside. Is it okay? Not here, because summation is over n here. Is it okay? So summation will be completely outside, where 1 is to 100. This will be what? N into 101 minus n times what it will be? This is log of x minus n. The main thing you need to remember in this formula is here, the what we can say, pi will be changes to what? Summation. I have given you the example here. Is it okay? So that is the reason this pi here is converted into the summation. Is it okay? If you feel like still if you have a doubt, so just let me know. So now what should we do? Everything we have solved for further. Simply try to differentiate this function. If I differentiate this function, what I'll be getting here? I'm sorry, just a second. Oh, fine. Uh, Let me show you what we'll be getting here. Yeah. So if I simply differentiate this function with respect to what? X. This is in the form of log x. You should remember, we know that log x derivative will be what? This is 1 by x alone. Is it okay? Which is 1 by, in place of x we are having f of x. So I'll be taking f of x, and f of x derivative will be what? F dash of x. Agree? We are doing with respect to x. So rest of the things will be as it is carry forwarded, which is summation n is equals to 1 to 100. This is n into 101 minus n. Now check. This is the term. What is this? This is in the form of a log x. We know that log x derivative will be what? 1 by x means 1 by x minus n. X derivative will be 1 alone. Is it okay? Yes. So finally we got f dash of x by, this will be, we are having f of x. What is f of x? As it is must be equals to, simply I can write it as summation n is equals to 1 to 100. This is n into 101 minus n by this is x minus n. This is the final answer, right? But if you come to the question, they are talking about f of 101 now. So this is, we are having f dash in the numerator, but nothing to worry. Try simply assume that x is equals to what? We need to substitute 101. Is it okay? So now let us substitute here. This is f dash of 101 by f of 101 must be equals to, summation is over, n is equals to 1 to 100. We need to substitute, this is n into, this is numerator 101 minus n by what is x? X is 101 minus n. Is it okay? If we look into the problem, numerator 101 minus n, 101 minus 1 will be cancelled easily. So I'll be getting f dash of 101 by, this will be f of 101. Agree? This summation is over what? N is equals to 1 to 100. Simply n. What is this? Sum of n natural numbers. Agree? What is sum of n natural numbers formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Let me give you summation n is equals to 1 to 100. N. Sum of n natural numbers will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Is it okay? What is n? N is nothing but 100 into n plus 1 will be 101 by 2. Okay. This will be what? This will be 50. So 100 by 2 will be 50 into 101. Is it okay? If you multiply, this 0 will be as it is. So 5, 0, 5 ones 5. So this will be simply what? 5, 0, 5, 0? Yes. So try to substitute. I can say that f dash of 101 by, this is f of 101 is nothing but what? Sum of n terms will be up to n is raised to for from where 1 to 100. So 5050. Is it okay? What we want? They are not asking about f dash of 101. Numerator will be f, denominator will be f dash, right? Simply apply the reciprocal for this. What it will be? F of 101 by f dash of 101. We have to take a reciprocal 1 by 5050. This is our final answer. Are you getting my point here? This is little bit not lengthy. You need to think about it. If you understood the concept, then it will be easy. Okay. Thank you.